Well, if you come out and your pool vac's not working, there's a little checklist you want to run down. All right? First, make sure that the pump is working. 2, make sure that it's valved properly, meaning that if you have main drains or skimmers, if it's hooked up to a dedicated suction port, that those are closed off properly so that suction's going to the cleaner. If it isn't, make sure and use the tool that came with it to make sure it's got exactly the amount of flow that it needs. The other, and we've discussed this in previous clips, is removing the debris from it by taking the access panel off that we've already done and making sure that it's free and clear. And once it's off, again, you want to be able to spin the turbine inside of it with your finger. Now, of course, do this outside of the pool. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that while it's spinning, that the pods are moving up and down. Okay? One of the ways, too, that we double-check things is by making sure that it has a full extension. If you can see right here, this comes within just 1/8 or so of an inch of touching the top in one direction and even less, or more rather, in the other direction. Make sure it has a full swing. If not, then it's just taking half steps. Now, another thing you can check is to make sure that the top cone is spinning properly. And without a lot of pressure, because it's geared way up, is to do this, is to spin it. Now, that whining noise is normal, okay? That's because it's lubricated partially by the water that it's in, so that sound is good. Now, this one, obviously, being a new unit, is in good shape. If you had any problems with any of those areas, we'll show you how to repair those in some upcoming clips.